The secret to a more long-lasting and good makeup is your skin preparation. Take note: mattifying, oily and combination, hydrating, dry and normal skin. It's hard to blend your foundation into your skin. Then you might just be doing your skin prep wrong. This product is better for someone who has a dry or a normal skin. Hi love, what's up? What is up? Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Rosenthal. Amongst other things, I am a makeup artist who also aims to help assist with challenges that revolve around beauty content. If you're a makeup artist, you're a girl who likes to do her own makeup, looking for a safe space in a community to grow, to connect, well, this channel is for you, so keep on watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually prep your skin, whether you have an oily, normal skin type, combinations, a dry skin type, and more importantly, why you should even prep your skin before makeup. So ensure you watch till the end to avoid making any mistakes. I'll start with the reasons why you should actually prep your skin before makeup. If you are someone who, whenever you do your makeup and you observe this cakiness to it, is always looking so dry, worn out, hard to blend. It's hard to blend your foundation into your skin. Then you might just be doing your skin prep wrong. Skin prep gives you this kind of protection. Makeup involves a lot of foreign products. Your body, or your face rather, sees them as foreign products. Products that are going to be applied on your face layer by layer and whatnot. It's like this barrier between your skin and then those products. It helps you to protect against harmful products that can cause irritations, products that can cause adverse reaction at the end of the day. Skin preparation before makeup also helps with longevity of your makeup. Do I need to explain this further? You want to have a more long-lasting finish. For your foundation to sit in well, the product to sit in well, you need a good skin preparation. Okay, for one, I have a combination skin. I'm going to be showing you the steps I take in my skin preparation. Now, the first step is cleaning your face. I'll be going in with my micellar water, my simple micellar water, and then a cotton pad. If you don't have a cotton pad or if you don't have micellar water, you can opt for wipes. This will also do the job. The end point is to remove dirt, to ensure that your face is clean. You don't want any bacteria getting mixed with your makeup product to cause any reaction, to cause any irritation. Do you understand? So you clean your face thoroughly before you work on anything on your face, whether it's even skincare. After cleaning, you want to just dry it, maybe with a fan, just to make sure that your face is cool. If you're going to opt for something other than the micellar water, especially if you're a makeup artist, it's good that you use products that are gentle basically. Before I started using the micellar water, I used to go in with my angel wipes, and that's because they are really gentle to the skin and they do the job too. Second step that I do in my skin prep, and I feel is necessary as well, but is not compulsory, okay, is hydrating the face. Hydrating the face, you can use a hydrating spray. There are hydrating sprays for makeup. I'm going to be using my green tea in place of a hydrating spray. It's also a hydrating spray though. It can also do the job. At an angle, I shake it up. After ensuring that the spray has absorbed well into the skin, you touch your face and you don't feel like watery stuff falling back at your hand. You know that the product has absorbed into your skin. At this point, that people who would want to use serum, maybe for a personal makeup use, or you're a makeup artist who likes to use serum, you can go in with a serum at this point. So let's assume that I had gone in with a serum. After your serum, you go in with a moisturizer. For my moisturizer, I use a simple moisturizer. Don't forget that I have a combination skin. I'm going to be using this brush because I'm not so sure about my hands. I've been touching a lot of product, so most times I use brush to go in with my skin preparations. You want to make sure that your hands are neat and clean as well. So I just place that at the back of my hand. Most times I use my mixing plate. Now, why I opt for the simple moisturizer is because it doesn't have much oils. So it does the moisturizing job and it doesn't leave much oils on my face. It's also a simple product, so it doesn't have active ingredients that give me any irritations or reactions or things like that. Also, just in case I forget to mention, for every product you apply, ensure that they absorb into the skin at least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. Especially if you're not under AC, try as much as possible to allow your product to absorb properly into your skin. If you have a fan, it will be much more better, but if you don't, that's fine. Just do whatever is convenient for you into the neck. Just in case I get any products there as well. It's the most important place to moisturize is under your eyes. Whilst you're waiting for your moisturizer to absorb into your skin, your lips are not left out. You moisturize your lips because before you use products on your lips, if it's dry, it will give you issues. Gloss, it's a gloss. I know it looks cute. It's a clear gloss. If you don't have a gloss, you can use a Vaseline, a moisturizing balm, anything to just moisturize the lips and not make it look chapped or dry when you want to work on the lips. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. You're moisturizing and hydrating to ensure that your face is not dried out. Your products glide in with ease. Your foundation, your concealer, so that they don't struggle to glide on your skin and give your skin that cakey makeup feeling. The next step is to go in with a primer. The primer I use for my skin is Stay Matte Rimmel Primer. The reason for using primers is to make your makeup last longer. Primers just help your foundation sit well better on your skin. I'm not going to apply this primer now because it has this white cast to it and I don't want to be looking weird because I'm not done with the video. I'm going to attach a video of where I was applying it. Now for a more long-lasting finish, that is assuming I have applied my primer now. That's what we are doing. I have applied my primer. After using my primer, if you want a more long-lasting finish for your makeup, go in with a setting spray. Avoid those sprays that come out like mist form. I shake it again just to ensure that all the ingredients mix. I'm done with my skin prep. This is for a combination and oily skin. Yeah, you heard me right. So if you have an oily skin, you can also use these steps that I just took and you'll be very fine. But I'm going to give you an insight on something. Now, these are two different moisturizers. The Blossom moisturizer and this is a simple moisturizer. I'm going to be applying both of them on my palm. This is simple and this is Blossom. I'm going to mix Blossom on this side after about 30 seconds, 1 minute. Blossom moisturizer, I noticed that it has this sort of shiny appearance and greasy texture to it that I would recommend better for someone who has a dry or a normal skin. For someone who has an oily skin or a combination skin, you don't need too much oils on your face anymore. I try my best to avoid products that have oils or rather too much oil because for someone who has an oily or combination skin, your skin is already producing a bit more natural oils from your face. This is simple on my the other side of the back of my hand. It doesn't seem like, but it doesn't even seem like I applied moisturizer there. But the truth is, it is actually moisturized. It is soft. Okay, my face feels soft. Now I have only moisturizer. Remember I said we are assuming that I have applied primer on my face. Okay, I just wanted you to understand why I do some certain things that I do. Not to say the Blossom product is not good, but I've just noticed, it's just my own observation. I just feel that this product is better for someone who has a dry or a normal skin. Someone who has a dry or normal skin, primer that I will recommend for you would be the Aqua Grip Primer. And I feel like it complements people who have dry or normal skin. For the oily skin, I believe that we already talked about the moisturizers and the primer you're going to use. Okay, someone who has a dry skin or a normal skin, to suit your skin better, to lean more towards products that are hydrating because your skin is not exactly as hydrated or oily as someone who has an oily or a combination skin. Meanwhile, if you have a combination or oily skin, lean more towards products that are mattifying. Not to say you will not moisturize your face because every skin type, every skin needs moisture. So take note, mattifying oily and combination, hydrating, dry, and normal skin. Whew. Okay, I really hope you have been able to grasp a thing or two from this video. Many people might not tell you, but the truth is the secret to a more long-lasting and good makeup is your skin preparation, because that is the actual foundation of your makeup. You know what they say about building a good foundation, something to stand strong on. Anyway, I have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. Leave me a comment or two, especially if you found this video helpful. I am Rosental and I will see you in my next video. But until then, you take care. Okay, bye.